Three, two, one. So, hello all, this is Mahesh and my teammate name is Jamal Uddin, and our project is about prediction of air pollution using ML algorithms. So, our ML algorithm, so the project is built on basic upon the Python, and the front end is done by the HTML and CSS. As we go into the execution of the project, we have the virtual Apache server and MySQL server, and after we having that, we have to run the program file in the command prompt, and we are having that the main file for the project execution is manage.py file. So as we see .py run server. So as we enter the manage.py server, it goes to all the system checking works, and it provides an HTML, it provides an URL for the project and for interface. So as we see, this is the URL for the project. So copy that, open our browser, paste it and enter. As you see, the interface having the login page and survey provider and the registrations. The new registrators can click on the register and give their names, give their information regarding the username, by email ID, gender, password, address, and country, city, mobile number, and the state, and they can register. After registering them, then they have to click the remote server and they have to enter the username and the password. After entering the username and password, just click on sign in. So we can see our details in the after logging into the server, after logging into the interface. So if we click on the predict air pollution, so we have a list of inputs, entering the air quality index, that is AIQ, air quality index, and enter the city name, no just take Ahmedabad, and entry date, let it be. So as compared to our data sets, we are recording till the 2021 December, so 2022 the year. So after having that, we are entering the all the required details of the air quality. So NO is nitro oxide, NO2 is nitro dioxide, NOx is one more thing, NH3 is ammonia, carbon monoxide, sulfur dioxide, ozone, benzene. Toclin and xylene are the particulate matters, and all the details we get from the government websites which are maintaining the all the air pollution details. As we mentioned, in Ahmedabad is having their own government website for the air quality index. After having all the details entered, just click on the predict. As it loads, it will take some time. So now we are having the Ahmedabad, and for the given details it is in moderate level. So after having that, we can predict another values of having another values and taking off another cities, we can go with that. And here we have the viewer profile, and we can click on the logout. So this all tasks are the interface are shown for the user, for the remote user. If we go for the service provider also, just enter our service provider details and login. So as we enter into the service provider interface, we can just see the first thing is the remote users and their details, and we can have here. So after having that, so we have train data and childbirth prediction. So in this we try to get all the data from the government websites, and some data, if it is missing the main data, we just try to predict them using the other values according surrounding for them, or the all the aligned values. After having that, we just depending on the stuff, we use the algorithms such as SVM, logistics and the k nearest value. So using these ML algorithms, we are gonna predict that the given values of a city, how about the air pollution is, it is in the very poor level, moderate, or server level. So as you click on the train dataset and childbirth prediction, so here we can see that SVM is giving an accuracy of 87.28%, and logistics expression is giving around 60%, and decision tree classifier is giving about 82%, and k-neighbor classifier is giving about 18%. So as we compare from all the four algorithms, SVM and the decision tree are giving the maximum amount of maximum prediction values. And here we have the train dataset. Here is the virtual representation of the algorithms and their percentages. As we talk, the SVM is having 87.28%, which is having the highest accuracy level, and the second highest accuracy is the decision tree. And here is the line chart, and here is the pie chart of them. And the predict values, the remote user who gonna enter all these details are recorded here, and we can see them, all the values of the fan. And here we have the all the values for the poor, very poor, server, and moderate. So depending upon the given ratio, we can predict that the city is having what type of air pollution. So if the city is coming under the ratio 8, it is a poor or very poor. If it is coming under the 41, it is a severe or moderate. And here we have the ratio of the depending upon the given data set. So the data set we are using, all the data sets, it's majorly showing about the severe and the moderate level of air pollution in the given data. And we can here, by clicking on the download train data set, we can download the train data and view all remote users. The first thing what we have seen when we enter into the server provider, we have can see located here also. We can view all the remote users, and we just click on the logout, we just come out, and this is our project on prediction of air pollution using mission algorithms. Thank you.